Mwancho mulia ondizi TV ngukwali nivene ase entunda yende entunda ya gatatu ime yomuroberio wensa kia emambia yabono buna naikagote wingani gotrabe tugusanga no moro kia Julius Miyoko yorabe usanga nintu igoro ya mangana alingete jisemi oberekerana ime ye studio emambi yabono astrobe tugusanga nere tubwate sumtana ito Facebook Ndizi TV News digital asensemere YouTube Ndizi TV News na somtana to www.ndizitv.net sangana into kerengeli kia imambi ya bono na wige namba ito SMS 0792128834 sangana into mwanchu murilia Ndizi TV wakirebuja karibu sana ime yomoroverio Ndizi TV ensake imambia yabono asifada yomurilia Ndizi TV okora ase intunde tangani tumanyango amalita ainingo
Biamono, yamana soko ngariganya se studio ito. Jamali tane Julius Miyoko, yondo moro kia ase school ito ya Kisi University. Wasomea mangana ye biashara, school ya business of budget of school ya business. The Department of Accounting and Finance. Yeah.
Okay, ere buya kigima sekolende twabere tokoranga ime yense yeito ya Kenya okurobikana kwabere wakoba asibono ndochinga nigerigete gotabokia omotienyi oyomo kochaka kubwa eri korwa abantu bachaka kurobekana ime yense yeito ya Kenya asingi kwabere tebanga ni wakoba gokumulekera amangana arengete ebyasara anemono ase chiseme chiria skuru elia university tumanyi yango turachakira abu ngaki kurobekana ko kwabeire gogo affecta ensemelia yebyasara
nduna wa Kenya wabere tokora ebintu bya gendere sense ya Kenya na yana mangana are tuna basai ba GNZ korwa umutinyo yeta tariki 25 wika boniga mbabu ate demands chiabo tubana ko baba present so ko baba protest about ebinde bianyara ko babi ko tegero no mo president ito ebinde branya ko babi ikana ntwaro jina genta kenene ya changeta maandamano ya gocha actually fast okiarenge about the finance bill ekere finance bill ya chete bunge jana ko babi watakana na finance bill yega teri koikira nama takwa yaba Kenya na inde nguchiro kandamisa aba Kenya muno na inde moso abantu bari bako na once so I want to say Gen Z's batokonya muno kegera basoka wangesokia separa batokonya ito kana batokoranga at least tokana ko batoko tegera going back to parliament parliament ito jana ko back tego tegera amaramisha wa Kenya lakini ikabidi Gen Z's paka wikase bunge kwa force tegere banyara kwa babako tikamba ngana ni finance bill Toiso kuri gari economy to boniga amandamano asari eze ya Kenya patrende egente kenene to ku enera kuri taringa economy asari kiri number 1 ingi to ta tegere ru se Gen Z's ngi bada tegere ru amata kwa ya batakete paneneji minister jirijaru zetu ngirande chiko irani so it is very important as a president tagara Gen Z's tagara ba Kenya iliari gereria maganiabo kororo ai karanse atore cabinet ile takire elevated to yara bantu bari batakira opera service so that economy itagendre osikori ya samagana masomo number 1 amasomo ito anyara ko baga ko affected okonyora bana bange bari ko school because abantu babo botenga umwana ngikera mu orange so it has affected the education ya bana baito so abana bake we know most of the colleges what engineering session but even those that are in session they have been affected yeah
okay ere buja kigima asenseme kwa bote banga nigo bande tukurwanerera obwene bwoito kolende serikali tebanga toigure biriro bieno twari gusabanga murati gukurubikana asingencho ewiki eta twachenga omonogari bwa serikali Isaac Mwaura otebanga chibilioni twabato gusiri wiki abono igane chibilioni isano nemo chibasi nyinge kigima aye aso ogotenda kwa bunu mumanyi bwamangana alengete ebyasara nabo igo ochumi yense inkyora bukwanere ngane igokera bono asingenje bya asara abere korokanene ne arochi ikira asebono abasaba korati kurubikana kwabo
ekero tuwa chagita maandamano haya usaba saba chagita maandamano haya mba bwate the agenda zwa the president yategerere usaba riwe to bategerere number 1 hearing about the finance bill I want to congratulate the president ngana tegerere with the finance bill ndwaro je parliament leader the tegor one of the things when recording the finance bill we congratulate him for that number 2 Mbata Minister chose our CSS won't speak, but in Vegas, that's all we are very competent. It's about where more they are great. Kenya demonstrate about their GCS is because of the fact that in Jirabata to come and so some opulence lifestyle. You can Kenya now and the colleagues they are actually showing off. Therefore, what you are is what we ndo wenere nantu GNZs sabuna Kenya to rigeringa ekartua chageta mandamaya ekini hitonge kiare. One, the most important thing is the finance. Yes, the president yanyewe to togateban nata kitu kwa nini akateban have come forward chora bantu motome to kwana na barabu bandoro baraki turkwana akanya wakam akabanji space akanya space which is a good start for this in matakwa ya Kenya. So my humble request is in tuna wa Kenya ekara tu arole demands to arole ngenze kwa byose kitakire to arole demands tigato president riba is constituting is a cabinet here. Yes, already patching Tagani at Parliament, got very vetted. And Parliament was listening. One of the MPs, Konyaza, they are going to vet them vigorously. And don't you go by the track record telling you there is no fear, they send you back. So that which is a good move, which is a good start. So for us, Katoba Ribaga, to a president Ribaga, to a parliament Ribaga, a colleague here, Egere 9 Chumi to Tessarica. As a Korea is because of this protest among Ananaki, Chinse Chia Temir Koirana, Unachia Ringos just came to Jirena. You know our neighbors, you are aware of that. So as much as we are pushing the president, we say our members of parliament, our leaders, let us also give time where they have said, yeah, because this process actually, they are derailing us. People are losing money. People were in what I also in industry, ministry, Utali, for example. Actually, it is the one which is getting affected. Because tourism industry again affected. Mapato Maya, who was tourist. So we are affecting actually each sector. So let us sometimes give time so that Tororena, even to the 21 and the finance bill, GCS, Jingo Badi affected by the Watava, was set by the then from there we take another action as Kenyans.
Yakima, Kerokurilia, Boigo, Abasayaba, Abana the Kurobekana was Sevek Goligan, Zimbabwe, Bagasoma, Egetabuna, Betroyo in the city, Caucasian, Chok Sako, Bagasova, Egetabuka, Rivan, the source, the Rivan between, and the Mono, Evitavi Kumulikira, Goramanga and Rete are sensitive. Konkuranga, Evitabu, Yabasaba, Betabasoma, Intirakie, via Vede, Vikoena, and Seme, Mosego Changia, so Korobekana Konatemin City, Kenya.
Actually, education is power, and that is what we know. Once you are informed, no money paying mundu ta kunya ko ngaina because already nobody information so abasai baitu ba Gen Z even millennials included ntomanye tenga ba someri bitabu ebinge they have knowledge even if no bangaina lero mambi na ndetoko bangaina you see the president ekara ro campaign biga campaign on the platform youths ekara batebe ariko batebe ekara batebe owiya buari are ngartu ko bakorera actually iga comment out clearly he was going to implement whatever he had in his manifesto. But it has come out, it is completely the opposite. Because when I was cabinet, he has come back to recycle. So, they know there is petroleum, like they have petroleum. So, but not very trade with the political class. Never created jobs, never created environment, but now it has come back to be completely the opposite. So the knowledge these people it actually empowers them not to forget. They want to be practical. But the late and now power, they have forgotten these Gen Zs about that information, whatever they have learned. Yes.
Okay. Ere buya kigima ase ense moyende nto tokoranga egati yamangana ase chisemi nara molekeire aso muswadolia wechibesa nto abwate engana elengete okolike kwaborokia aba junior secondary ayrochenga okorusu gokum esenge njomba ligete kubalika ange chiribu emerongo ene na chiribu isano nemo nenemo no 46,000 nene konekinga ngosira baro moroberio OCBC emeroberi boigo nemenge alenga nenemo no yogosira se chisemi ayrochenga okurusu okumuswado ngakikora chi anenemo no goturubane bose konekinga emeroberi serikali ngakikora abego ko affect.
Number one, the finance bill here at the parliament. Just for me to get this stage 3 at a carry with I'm also not what kind, but our parliamentarians, Baji, and force Kenyans. Number two, we must accepting a year in, year out. Talk again on a budget obvious last my budget correct. Take a comment. So which needs more money again to Gasakari in our fund to program chair. But at the same time, if you need more taxes, so that you fund your program, you must look for ways not to burden Kenyans. So, in terms of education, a budget so, in the first place, as a I'm going to increase the taxes from this side, So, muswado akuze serikali katavanga ngochira kona tabono chibasyo baraka chigo chikotomu as ministry of education chikolika abantu ba CHS. So but again the president came back and said no to a decide ngochi tore kolika bari mubaki CHS ekerate bangu likabare ninde sure boni gana according to the budget whatever about that is what I'm aware of and but included as a budget. The only problem is that we keep target because kera a sector target which comment around 300 billion which comment to achievement to maybe education and on the roads infrastructure or that which means we cannot meet our target as per the budget allocation as a therefore which means it was not going to meet the expectations maybe 30,000 or 40,000. Therefore, which will affect the education system because Basically, we are in the process of transitioning. Because we are in CPC, we are living the 844 system. So, actually, will affect mono a transition from one from the actually the previous program to the new program. Therefore, serikali wena rekorigeri asira arigichinjira chinde tarigo tax ya Kenya enyo chwesa enyara ko priority amagana education because we know education is the backbone of every sector in this country. So of course it will be affected, but they have actually budgeted for the employment of GSS. But not according to because of the budget. Number two, because actually funding so they said even promotions in Chikayo were promoted from one job group to another because of a constraint
Okay, ense moyende abasaba kigoligia genzi mbaba kuigwikana bakwimurunganirie igati ya maunchurio abeire anemono ase sector area yechisemi nto abatorokoranga serikali njabage koleta umuroberio umujia gosira aborokigwa asumuno wekenya muri kwa new funding model tima tinga inkyora be kwanira anemono kubwate kananga no nuri naborokiwa baria nabo igonore ase school chiria chigoro chekenkyo university tomanyango ngira ukonere igoro mtalo oyo nene mono obuya bwaye nabo igo bwaye
wese korra kumayo people don't want change sometimes na ende kero change ya tiri it is not easy to accept na kero tarara a model ine kiwa kolega sometimes there is konyo number 2 na serikali nero ne bwenere colleague stakeholders with the new model, they balance with the old model, so that it bad disadvantage the people from the poor background. But as a regard, you go implement a model, you are funding to universities. Igeta kete kuligera na ki era nyako bagego ikero montorio senera college anore amasomo aye university na kane school fees kolenga na una correct so ekarana rana mitandao montakulikana actually we are moving from mwanafunzi alikuwa maybe 30,000 to 300,000 is funding. It is not that way. Serikali nja collected data ikakuwa register as a mwanafunzi so university go register kwa rene kolenga na uno kwenyara kwa family. So that is why I did a model or you panyara kunyara we are as a program. Maybe nabakunyara kwa funded to 300,000 400,000 that we can only that kunyara kwa we are so for example what are in the old model umwana ujire university from a poor background oyondo ujire university from a better background maybe umwana we minister they are sharing equally onye nel by the same onye nature serikali by the same ayuri okorwe background onye 30,000 only 30,000 actually it could be disadvantaging these people barabo bakorwa se family itali kwenya. So as a regarding that medical na way na kira balance of although there are narrow kira so they need to go back to the drawing board validating how are we going to do it better so that barangere every stakeholder barangere vice chancellors from each university barangere people from the ministry, these other people from every other sector at least bachamo baralenga where are we failing where are we doing well so that they agree even they call when the leaders wanafunzi kwa university they sit down everything asense ikirebono no ikaranza mwe this is what is good but not forcing things to people so as wanafunzi in terms of wanafunzi what I would have advised them is that they need to talk
to the management of the universities, so that the universities, so that they can talk now to the ministry kwa na serikali, so that they look for the best option. This is the way forward. Yes.
Ere buja kigima sekolende kero kurigelia omoroberi oyo omojia woko nekinga aborokia nkonyora baro gusirwa ne mono bali bakuru asinga chintaka kolende engana babeire abantu babere bokwemurunganiria nelinga chinga kichi university ko bachiko rwa marube enkwene kichire cyabere chiko rwa marube bali abwendete kuruegwa singe nchomete engakinera to atakoranga maruba betaka kweruegwa amaruba karokananga na igabwika ina bana bonzi ndobu atiriri koro kingu mwana no mutaka china chiabwena te kurwa bono okonyoranga egati yamangana nayo nkyora kwa namara kebisha bere korwa university ne mone linkone kiaboro kigwaba amarube bakonyora nabo igachibesa nkumanyu muibuli nkumanya alenga chibesa bwena te wakana na chichi
actually Sakuranele over the last week which has university chose speak Kotevana if structure also be aware with the drone as a so as from I think next month it is on 4th of August if I'm not wrong there's each university which require wanafunzi wanaoenroll as a university a new fee structure if I'm not wrong that is what I'm aware of so if the structure really also be aware to admission right with the fee structure they are with Java with the drone the ministry I believe by maybe from next month on 1st or on 4th I think it's on 4th or even not on 1st go to the new fee structure according to the university that is what I'm aware of.
Erebuya kigima askurende tondeta kumulikira boigo chisemi ekeroko bagukurigelia umtala oyo OCBC twabeta kuronga ingusana no keronga anemono igoro ye grade ya kianda ingegeria tekele school yo boroso osakende school elia secondary yani junior school osakende school elia bakorokanga senior school ingusana ne ndrete kwikira bono ikiga ase aboro kya banene we school chichonsibere bataramanyirira buye iganga ye ekirasi kibone takobera nkira abego kuru birengera bya igorengane
actually enable the confusion number one is a colleague na wana abacho JSS abange babe hosted as primary schools these primary schools tukanyoranga ntiwa enough infrastructure without the Breaker School, Lari Mumbari, or when I was to GSS, actually, Avangi curriculum with Liberal water. Now, coming after that, Jericho and Grady Yakianda is another confusion because there is no clear information in Ekrokua, Kuroko, and the secondary. Change Puru Chigachi and your new funding or the enough funding to a liberas with Taki. Chituale Chilap, Chitaki, calling on us in the curriculum. So I know it is a big problem, but I think also a ministry and they are trying to look for a way very clear. That is why TSC, Mono, TSS, they know their mandate as we cover the areas, the curriculum. Then as we move on to the next level, because we are moving Korea system, we are 844. When a new system comes, there are the challenges, obvious, it has challenges. But I believe as the ministry, they are preparing themselves, but there is some confusion as to where these students will be hosted. But what I know, now we can also go to a good transition now from primary school, because they are hosted in primary schools. That is grade 7 and 8. They work in the grade Yaki and work in the secondary schools. But now, because Tomanyeteng CPC needed different from these other systems. Even Togre ministry directly, we could get a CPC. For example, I can grade 9, is it grade 9? I can acquire the class, but I Kotuara Jilab,
because they are going for specialization egera ogandali mbali gochikoenda gosoma mirimo yonse so mpata kiri ko demarcation amanyamba kwata chilapu chisaine egera mwanafunzi egera kwendali amanyenga emyaka iri ngaho chikosoma akurwa ndenga amanya kwenda university so the ministry needs to come out clear before the end of this year because this is the first launching again gochokara matemu CPC egera transition which grade 9
okay ere buya kigima sekolende boigo tobitokoranga ekera monchilia yuarabe gakoba njera kiyorabe orochenga grade 9 irabasa gutigara ase skuru yoboroso njera kieye chi skuru cha secondary chirabe chikonyora ogwa kwanene mono abali mumbaro baendete kosomcha skuru chi bono konyora ole birasi ngo chikoba birebike na boro kianigo bago chikoba abange sengenja form 1 chikoba imbindo kiye njera kiyorabe orochenga muroberi orabe gutigara skuru yoboroso orabe go affect skuru chi secondary
eso konyora ekero abana bakoreta amwa akepsa grade 6 ndo atwale tomo cyane bozo nwenze barata matemalia grade 6 gama ide ga kwenda secondary bono na inde tata kitabuka na bana babande ba lower usaba school yobroso so bama ide they were moving from primary to secondary so nekero na ende ministry ati njete ka retain as a school yoboroso abange mbabe affected in one way or the other for example abande baro jenga bono bado tole primary intrabraki and secondary even if bande ba change maybe in terms of uniform so there was no clear difference in na kyomwano ya transition from one section to another so Esa kaba ampati konyara baba ko riba retain this school yoboroso na inde it may affect these pupils reason being they know ngeto wenere ko move ko primary which is secondary now I know na they konyara na inde bati ko retain it happens so because secondary jinyinge konenjira no infrastructure yoko ba accommodate but now I'm very much aware the ministry abangire una abana baba kurwenga na secondary schools lakini baiza ko retain we will have an effect because there will be a vacuum in grade 9 which is form 1 now we will be having teachers but about guys which will have a confusion
aboroki ababyo mu boli mbachikogenda ko beraro ebe kulitendi skuru yoboroso boli
BOM useba
bali barati skuru chiri chizi secondary because
that is one of no problem with ko bera because staff ngochero to staff nyinge tabati ga se koraki abantu barati kutigara na baru serikali BOM eroro even if I don't know the confusion maybe abantu bari kwando for one classes so it will bring a confusion as a TSC back as a ministry.
Erebu ya kegima mwantumurilia Ondezi TV ningwana twanda tegosanga no mworokia Julius Miyogo kurua ase university area ya Kisi wero tumania amange anemono igoro yechisemi asabo gatowe to gukwanira enjera okorobekana kwa beire gogo kuna chisemi bose gogo affect chisemi to kwanira amange boigo aliarengete chiskuru chiria chi bose school chisemi anemono ase chiskuru chobroso anemono kerengo ya secondary junior secondary na boigo omtala OCBC askorende abuno tora chikogenda ase umutimoko oro mwenge kolende kiturabe to kuirana na ntogendre gosanga nere anemono igoro yamangana boigo arengete chisemi na boigo boigo abaralimba mbaligiti korobe kanali tukoli ale boigo nabega usanga nito kerengere kya anemono igoro yigati yebirenga abaraliba bwate anemono ase chisemi asigo to basa uskato basa konyengera ngwera natoli asika tali egetambe
Ndizi TV, ubwansu Bwomogusi omwanchu muliriria bwa televishoni ya Ndizi TV mbiyamona sukoira chinsa chao na kuliriria televishoni yao na mbegemo yomunwa bweke gusi bono onye kubwate nganende yonsi yukwe murungania woso komenta na bogo toikera ase gutwakire simi ase namba enotisano na ibere inyesato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo gose otorikere yukorike ase email ya ndiztvnews@gmail.com voigo na bugo tonyora ase mitandao yaito buna Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya Facebook, YouTube nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na voigo TikTok nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na bo ogututarira sikia bisichito ekyo kirebo cyobwe kiro ya embassy ekeroko genda nyakoe ase bara ekurwa kisi kogenda Kisumu. Ndizi TV omwanzo bwomogusi.
Kunazo simulizi nyingi na za wengi ambao wanahitaji msaada.
Baraza is one of the stories. Baraza alikuwa analala nje.
Unasema ati kila mtu atafute kwake, alafu mimi naambia nitafute babangu tuende kukula huko.
Alirudi kucheza mpira kama kawaida.
Anatumwagia maji, anapasua vitu kwa nyumba. Alafu kuna siku nyingine hapa alikuja akafungia mamangu kwa nyumba, akaanza kumchapa.
Tazama Save Alive kila Jumatatu na Ijumaa saa 12:30 jioni ndani ya Ndizi TV. Tubadilishe maisha.
Omurigiriria bwa televishoni ya Ndizi TV nigoto kuiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigiriria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubiriyo yeito yonsi chinsemero ngebere naine bono onye kendegia korekanire asekenyurukiao ekiotageto tumanye asubwango mono abwonda isi reke nambeye asesemi yao enoti sano na ibere inya isato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo elioto akere n'abasaki baito baikasure na kubekora uboti ubwo asembeo emesa yamangana maya ya Ndizi TV nereyo kwabekire simi yawe ime
ayumwanju wegeta sidi kya Ndizi TV na bogo tubwate wetera senjera y'omutandao ya www.ndizitv.net ili kuturigireria na boigo usonje mirubiri yito chinsemero ngebere nenye nyoranka na bogo sonje wetera sesimi yao yakoboko laptop smart TV iliyo wegokie Ndizi TV obwanso bwomogusi.
Omwana wembe bakatebi omwana bwenguko ngaye omwana wembe bakaboli omwana
chingekero chomogusi
nyangwezo ni ngenda dingoko
nyangwezo
na koire ritime kora nyore ngabi oretera abantu simanya gitinge tuabeta wanjireyo
nanjire
kera ritukoria Alamisi enseye monenusu ya Maragoba
ekinenchi ngekero cy'omugusi tukuna gukwanira entekenene noko inyorania igwa aziteyo nobori ore na mukaye oranyora mangana manzu budaya
goika abantu baitu bamanyena n'abagusi bale abantu basomibwe twade kisemi kinyinge lakini mbabwati insoni
bunato kuna okwerega obunobukano obukano bungu agatumekire engagi kinyani cyareko yagiye baba yagiye timoni jo magazine beni na igule beni Maragoba
maokoro nsara maya patina baguboleva engenchende omuntu ureko bana abantu abangai naenda abanne iga bare ko mwachinga njo ne chumbu cyo komenya asinga kiriaro ninga kiego chigocha
kila rituko lia Aramisi wanzire nsemo nenusu mpaka ase umuroberiyo yokwera
numwiroroye rituko rya Ijuma chinsa isano nemo chemugaso nasiko gichana
omukunguzyo mazyo myaka yako manya barwero semoke mwana okunguzyo mazyo myaka yako manya barwero
omwana wembe bakaboli omwana wenguko ngaye
Gento tikerie kia senseye buna komenya buyake bochenu na kieko geregeta seni kya Ndizi TV togokoretero muroberio bwo komenya okuya
bwo bwiga totebe abantu abanene boka kusenone muntu ndi bwensi nabako
nonya muntu ndi bwensi nonya rero iga oiso konyora kwanyorire head injury nabo konyoranga e problem ya gochire.
Sasa pneumonia ni infection yenye inakuja, si ni infection, ni kitu ni una breathe in hiyo bacteria, alafu ukitibiwa inaenda inaisha kabisa, so haiwezi kukua transmitted kutoka kwa mzazi ikienda kwa mtoto.
Kira ritko ria Ijuma gochaka chinsebere goika chinsebere ne nusu chia mogoroba no semi wa manke igoro yobo chenu ubwo mubero
ekoro breast cancer screening inabo umuntu atakire kuyekorera every month siku ya 10 after period
ubwo bekara boko gotera turi kunyara gukora mirimo yabo na kige kora togotena wabira umuchando gakarekera bwa gotire turi kunyara gukora imirimo iri kwango kora
umwana ataraike emyaka 5 mutabwati kenda gwekorerere bweka nigagokorerwa so ibintu biri abareri bwo umwana bakomukorera karo moke na bibigo shape future yo mwana yo gujumuto
okomenya okuya kebochenu ritukurie Juma chinsa ibere chabutuko no moiroroye ritukurie Jumatatu chinsa isano na ibere nenusu chiamugaso na Evelyn Osero
inyora obochenu bwo mubero na bwo obonda bwao.
Kisii Family Medical Center ni nyagatari yekerero iyo kurobokoreri au iryo koenekeria afyenkia ngoro barobokoreri buno koringorwa maiso na koena nebirore kurigereria maino obokoreri ibwe laboratory mbabwate duka ya mariogo boigongo korabare physiotherapy ngwanchira bare insurance chikobwatia NHIF Minute Liaison Group Madson Group KCB area ya Cooperative Bank Teacher Service Commission CIC Insurance National Police Wose Prison GA Insurance Resolution Insurance MTBA Trident Insurance na Boygo Star Discovery Insurance. Nigo bagotoka Samaga New Sansoram barabara stage nene ya Kigali egoroba entangani asamanke bakire simi wetrase namba 0758770764. Kisii Family Medical Center, your health our responsibility.
Supermarket ya Kisii Mart bono nigo bachakiro murubiryo bwoko ni ebintu ki wholesale buna maguta yugo karangira chinyeni obosye bwokuruga chi diapers ne chi tissue chi sabuni body oils ebinywegwa esukari ebikoroto n'ebintu binde binge naboigo ngoni abalichianga chinyange chi bag chi carpet ebitanda emeito ne chi pillowcase chimesa n'ebirugo office furniture ebintu byogutumeka jikoni buna cookers, table burners, toaster ovens na microwaves, chi dispenser, cordless kettle, washing machines n'ebintu binde binge no bali miyo muchukisi opposite Kwanza Place ebare kogenda daraja mbili Kisii Mart Supermarket, the only man saver in town. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi.
Mwanchumulia Ndizi TV ngokwani bene ase entunda yende entunda yo mwelio ime yo moroberio bwensakia ase emambi ya bono asanda usangano morokia kurua ase University ya Kisii aserieta Julius Miyogo usangana into amange anemono alia alengete chisemi kuna kota ya bina tubwate aso mtandao ito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asense media ya YouTube Ndizi TV News wetera asenchira area iyo mtandao www.ndizitv.net sangana into ekerengeli kia wetera wiga sina mbete semeza 0792192834 ase enchira ya abene anemono igore mangana twende usanga naye ase emambia ya abono ndochenga korukunga Sidi nya Cooks atawanga korua Ngeri Township no areme moroberi wensa kia nochenga Rafael Obugo na ndoto kubato moroberi wensa kia tuned in from Kisii Bonchari Vegetariana Rafael Very Love tuned in korua Kisii Bonchari Vegetariana ndochenga Klaus Nyakes watching Uniole moja, good morning to my dad Joseph Torori akiwa pale St. Andrews Kawa. Nicholas Ogega kurua Nyansongo stage niko ndani mbe akotera lero Aramisi ndio litara nyenga asemero beriende iyama tera kurende Elena Juliet oyena abana Sherry na Bildad kurua Nyansongo stage takomo cha P bogondo chinga kefa nyalibo kurua bubasi bunyakama Esani Catholic noare ime iyo yomoroberio obwensa kya Jared oyunge koru nyankororo no ali meboigo imemoroberio bwensa kya ase emambia ya abono ndochinga boigo Ruth Nyabuk hayo tebanga konya oyo mino ekera roche gose ekero alemoyo bono obokonyi bwa tokire kero muntu akulenka tenga ningale kwanira anemono igoro yamangana litwako kwana imambia anemono astobeto kumulikera omoroberio osto kumulikera omugaka obete gagosirwa maega yugo siria obogima bwaye na arabaga ko tukwanira bono goberi kokoro kerengererio kia yebo igo sense media WhatsApp trarango barabero sumi moroberio wensa kia emambi ya abono Dennis Kerandi aka Mosori bwege susu kurwa ase county area Nakuru nigenda tukubwatia omoroberio bwensa kia emambi ya abono igatia banga wenda tukubwatia omoroberio bwensa kia emambi ya abono mwanchu murelia Ondizi TV trango toranda koranga asinsemo au okay abuna babero ikirana asomoroberio bwensa kia emambi ya abono asekolina twende usanga no moro kia kurwa ase University ya Kisii asamuleta omoroke Julius Miyogo besangana into amange anemono ali alengete chisemi kolende ase amonchuli amanga bera ko basensi ya Kenya more wense manga kubuna ekamati yaye ya waziri na ba kora monchuli we gase wizara echisemi wizara niga ya tineneire nere Julius ya tineneire nere Ezekiel Machogu ase kolende bono era chikotenerwa nere Migosi Ogamba ntamanyenga ingira kwanera anemono igoro ya monchili ya betega koba ase wizara echisemi
biamon nainde etero protest ya target Kenya jenzize bade the president ebune baraza ya mawaziri so the president egatikia mito yo gatenema mawaziri bonds number 2 akabaga last week akochora nainde awa mawaziri bande 11 au banya ko batakirwe kabusio bunge banya ko baba vetted they are fit as always wakora bakenya so as a ministry of education into what our former now minister or CS for education Moses Kiri Machogu oyonora out in it was ministry same samatuka tarimake almost 2 years na tuarare amangana ya korire atware asiri ya korire but I know no etaikirane ti korengana una amagani ya Kenya renge na keste kwenene na kolega si na tema osukia egas korengana na si atigere tu I want to congratulate him as a Syria colleague. Number 2, I want to congratulate our president as in the Korangambuya, Komojora Julius Migosio Gamba, Anyargo, the Ministry Education, Elio, again, really amangana yomusike Ezekiel Machagwari akorete naenda ya Sukimotu ekero naro che abantu abandi ba comment abantu baterenge batagete educationist a ministry of education ne ministry etagete omonto obwato bomani ekero tokurgerere umusike Julius Migosi Ogamba is an advocate, is a lawyer. According to Matuka Mange, Igor is an educationist because Korengana Muna Somre, Korengana Muna Tuargeria, Masoma, Goja, no Monto Chile School, no Monto Somete. So there must be an education. No, yes, the relevant knowledge to learn that ministry. So in Rano Sababa Kenya, to our Punge Vaitoli Baga. Bakole vetting yabo ya konyorkananga nabwate the requirements titakeire como support agendereri egasi riyo musike machongwa tikertenjera as yesuki to another step yeah
ere buya kingma kurinde mbale bandate ko gukwanira amange ane mono matenga imya gusio obukenye umbamboro abanga tebanga na kikiroge kinkyale go chanyali bali bose bono nabo igo ingana bo igo yabere koleta obututuka numbulinga kerukulilinga nigo migosi alenge omokonyi abumugaba na libale kwa melikirogo keria kyobugaba nabo igo ingana yabere koleta obututuka ndima tinkyora be okwanira amangana ya onsi abere
number 1 wakwanira obukenyumba machoguga arikuru no munyalibale na migosi akuru kututu yes so he has tried to balance one of them to go to work because orule nyalibale
yani mbale bako ibunga ekiroge kikyawe na tetiara scaling
no na kike tawa ta no kero kwari ke parliament yesterday ekero baru kwanera amangana ba waziri ba chochoru obadenga toligereri ko every region tribals to balance. So it is not nabono getting rasa. No, the president is trying to balance. When normal Kenya, our colleagues so if he has the capacity, he has the knowledge, and even in a position to deliver, na Rwanda is so caring and no, na voy kwenda Bogetutu, na voy kwenda Andos, na voy kwenda Bogirango, na voy kwenda Kende, Western. So ngia chole tu education ngia bagusi no. Number 2, banta bange mba manye tenga oyonero lenge rani ntiyo musikamacho. Oba cha kumanya late. Ekero bana kuligere posta chichari. Ekere president ekolgere ringa neta ketaka choro munto ya gerete ekarra na choro to muskemacho na bwatsti kolgeras kamwe sirena ra kolek. Number 2, ebin the veras mo balance politics na mangana a regional balance. So that is why the president saw it better on a part of the tindaro the ministry okay running the balance but also as managing from one clan to another so that we can be able to balance yeah
kulinde ngana yabere koleta ubutukanu anemono nigo migosi ari umwana siasa na boyiko abasabe kegorya agency baganitinga babe bakorra abantu baliya babwato umanyi bose professionals anemono asichi wizara atari migosi bika ligele chi wizara ikinde boyiko ndoje dualo bere ko ne kindiki ne umwana siasa tima itinga inkira yo kwanira engane anemono kero to betekora abana siasa bakere ni wa asebiroge bako biroge
Peso que era na maiga, miaka ya maiga. Ekero kwaro chale minister kwaro kone chora kor parliament. And we used to go on to cover siasa. So we are not changing that culture already to that culture. Therefore, nekero kor gerinse to Kenya. Amanga no zipi nekero president go chora last day balance amanga politics na amanga under professionalism. It is not a must that you have to be professionals who are not politicians. No, you have to mix. You have to balance. Therefore, we can do away with politicians totally because that is where we have come from. These politicians, they are also professionals. So we cannot rule out. No. So sometimes we have politicians, sometimes
professionals. Yeah. Usikore bona una aba ekera president ya cholete cabinet yeje ya to 11. Naturally, Dr. Parasa. Dr. Parasa is not a politician. She's a professional. She's a medical doctor. So that is a very key area. Now this area, because this is dealing with human life and others, professional. Then, so that's why I say we must be able to balance politics with about professionals. And that is it. Even if it is in the US, even if it is other countries, lazima amangana yuansi amangana politics and professionalism. So long as somebody is qualified enough to run that ministry. Yes.
Erebu ya kigima ase ense mwende ni matenga litukuli lero ni litukuli nene anemono asabaralia ase barabe bagokora okurubikana kwabo ase chinsemo ao ime yense yeito ya Kenya inkiora gukwanira anemono igoro ekerukuliringa obusibole bwabaralia sama tukabwangoiga na ende orochinga ninki busikeire tabaralia bakorubikana anemono litukuli lero kike.
Yes, oisa kolgeria the president ya Kenya editors yo Krokus Beda Kanan na nyarko bagago tangaza galit kulia la 24th on Wednesday there is a nationwide protests ya abara responsible journalists. One of the main reason last week about the protest I believe not last week but one umwana pari yo mo kate wanjeri nani anataka baga kuumia asana anataka baga kuraswa sokogoro na wasikari ekero protest chari ndirata na ekiga kyana anataka baga kogechi abararia banki actually our journalist wants to be saying yet to Kenya. Therefore ekarokanana even if they are also covering Indika and Rada so it is one of the reasons as to why the Union of Journalists no, we must come out, we protest, we must say to una abana pari ndo wenetu freedom yetu to colleagues ne constitution chene bataba ndo takire to security to safety yetu nyarwage korendu so that we can be able to tell the world number 3 also mbata kire ba iguriva ba kuingiriwa so that they give information as it is because to arrest the car kero tabanga promote maybe some people are misreporting information. So that is why the Secretary got letter journalists that were professionals, but also journalists they must be given access to information. So they must they have their demands. They have an apart oniga, Bavendra to prepare, but what the demands chavo, each vatagete as a carry evatera. Number 2, as much as also vatagete freedom yavo, avanapari, they must also restrain, report on the negative side only. Let us bring what we call as professionalism in reporting, so that we don't bring this country into chaos. We don't plunge it into anarchy. Egere tumanyangi kegenrete tumanyangi toko report. At least at the end of the day, kero muntu anyarako baga politika serikali anyarako baga korokananga noe ndobwato mchano which protest media they report on the negative side only. Also, it must report on the positive side. As I was going to say, criminals inki media kina kesa kari ko inki media tari ko report they are protests, they are looting, they are so ekina area sarkari ne report the problem. So we must be able to balance. As sarkari ne tagete professionalism or was a journalist njibu tageta na chirocho serikali enye freedom yao ekolegas. So again I request journalists the Union of Journalists let us employ what we call as professionalism. Let us not only report on the negative side ya serikali about protesters in Barang. There are peaceful protesters, but also there are people who have hijacked the process here. Protesters, but what the demands, Chiabo, Chirikero Mukenya Maite, Chiri right. But there are protesters, there are actually looters who have come in. The water machambazi aswairem akuibera abantu ngwarim ndo byaba no muchito osongo iswati undegari na nyalitari tukaya ya bunatu kireni to kayo ekabenda. We need also the media to report that so that also to on this side abantu abagana protesters ndo water abantu mata protesters bari looters baro chini ndo byaba Nairobi ando baro ngwaro chini kia Mombasa baba so hotel baira kireni. You see such kind also as journalists you should be able to report that.
Erebuya kigima sense moyende naturaligiria obosibole bwabaliki bamangana maya tochakirenga kia Moi tochase Nyagosira Mwai Kibaki toche asobora bwaye Uhuru Kenyatta na bwegenga kiye ya Dr. William Ruto nkiora okwanira obosibole bwabaliki gochakire myake yonsi na ende inse yabara yaba bense babeire bagweta na boigo oyolegeti chinga kichabono.
Yes. This is what I think Kinar and that one Kia Kenyatta Timbati story. In the movie, actually, there was no really freedom to journalists. This was the reason as to one of the reasons for why the constitution that will come out clear. Number two, to what mostly one station was reporting even to Kenya. It was a 9-day report over West Kariwoga. So there was no freedom by that time. There was some freedom. But come to the year 2010, after the new constitution, now it came out clear what are the rights of protesters, what are the rights of journalists. So, after the promulgation of that constitution, the year 2010, now the media was very, very free to report whatever it is supposed to report, and it could bring awareness, which is our Kenya wants to be. So, after that, to Jimmy Moscow Kenyatta, even if the media had the freedom, sometimes it could not be given. The media houses were raided, and the internet was cut off. It was like a curtailed because of the reporting that was going on by that time. So no, the media house changing. Raided, matangazo moja kwa moja. But thereafter, journalists came out and they fought for their rights, and actually it was restored. From last week, as media, a report, serikali ya coming out whether as a spokesperson whatever the media very against serikali kuripoti ile vitu vinde vitali bieke maene even they're reporting even to the entire world. So that is when serikali ya stick to what you are supposed to report, and the more report it in Kirikero. If you report in Kenya, do it. I have seen a situation where if you all the media houses were not covering live protests from the morning. It could come and maybe as a news. Meaning that there is a threat to freedom of reporting, which I saw yesterday, if I'm not wrong. Because as a colleague report, Amanda Manande, we got a direct live. But yesterday, so that means there is a threat to journalism. So So the Union of Journalists has come out to actually demand for their rights. Karena ngiri mtandao ndio number 1 baba ndio iko press freedom badala ya freedom ya baba report number 2 safety and security for journalists because one of their journalists na attacked na ende wale kama na askari ende kare kwani kana na security personnel bali ngana ba mu target. Number 3 badala ndio bana unrestricted access to information to akwanire. I think even though what maybe the as a constitution and the their rights. Yeah. So I think about the communication authority, they talk about threats. If you report this, authorizes, you must stick to what you are supposed to do. So I think the media is in a way gagged, but also the media must be able to follow the rules and the regulations that they have been given by the Communication Authority of Kenya. Yeah.
Ase ensemo yao anemono kwabire ukwanira engana ere tobe tokora samotuka mangi tobe tokora ngani go TV shinge chabere chikumulekera okurubikana uko live yani barikoreta emo ase emo enchira kioro chinga okoreta uko gukurubikana enchira ase emo egoko sege tokurubikana bose no bosi boli bwenda takogenda ne bwenda tagendrenga ba report live bose nga kioro abokona
ndagenda bana bali mbabwate nyira babwenere ko kolega siabo na ndimba bwate communication authority na baite bana babwenere ko report. So I believe in every institution ne what rules and the regulations policies to guide. Therefore serikali ekero ya nyanda ko bage koranga maybe this reporting one on one and ne what an impact. From my side, it has an impact, a positive impact and a negative impact. One, I'm going to encourage even other people from other places to also protest, which is good, so that abantu bamenya information in Canada. Number 2, sometimes also go for area ebintu bitari byabo cha korengana na serikali. So we need to regulate. The media should be able to see what to report and not what to report. Yes.
Askulini to koranga kuwatekananga na monchili abereka koba as ensemo elia ye teknolojia. Lero tuwabetu kutwara imitandao yekerero social media. No nyanga babere otebinga media ambako randoro chinga YouTube chinsemo chinde bandete kubwati akurubeka no koni konda. Njira kioracho ora ubere kukwaniranga njira kieye imitandao yabando kusanga amo aso bomo social media. Jabere kuchangia aso kurubeka no kunaende yabere koleta anene mono kweneking abantu konyara wale busibore bokumanya amanganrete.
Ese kolege ya kartu atwara maandamano ndi kurumaya. Aywa nyar ko baga kora mostly in opposition. Now what they leader. Moso the leader was the opposition for long. His Excellency. Mutsikirero Odinga. Nere obere ka mustari wa mbele nere kunyara ko baga kora maandamano. Most probably kerenzi taraga na beke muntu. Nei pesa kali taraga tebeka. Number 2, oise kolege this protest chacha agede. Njabwate leader or direct. It came from social media. People gathered on social media. Number 1, it is through X, which is formerly known as Twitter. So, GNCs are watching the Twitter. No finance period. Opposition and ready to support. Let us come to Twitter so that we communicate to one another, so that we start our protest. So social media, actually in the current world, is one of the mobilizers to protest across the world. So even if Norangere Mandamano personally, but social media has proven one of the places, information from one person to another, because there is freedom of expression in social media. People can be able to engage. People can be able to come into a platform and have a conversation. Yeah. So social media actually
nero ya jangia mona sama maandamano ya hiyo unlike direct reporting.
Ere buya kigemo manchumurelia on Ndizi TV nigota nitego sanga no mworokia ase University ya Kisii kwa Julius Miyogo usanga na intu amange anemono igoro ya mangana ndate immensity ya Kenya story tu kwanira anemono igoro yokorobekana nabo igo chisemi Ocharo William from Sensi Kisii ngenda tukubote moroverwen sakia Eric Osoro koru Keumbu Litaro na ndate kubote moroverwen sakia Imambi ya bono ndochenga Bota Haron kutoka Nakuru Kaptembwa well tuned in Henry Ochoki Daktari Kisii County niko tuned ndani imeyomoroverio wensa kigati abarana tukwatu moroverio wensa kimambi ya abono ase towota binga na bostanga na into mtandao Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital ase ense media ya YouTube Ndizi TV News awetera mtandao www.ndizitv.net Ruth Nyabut kurwa Saudi Arabia tabanga Genesis power and its leads fire we remains in power wika toewe obwene to Raphael very love tuned present from Bogita Riana ndo tinga boge mbustoro engia na takuwati moroverio wensa kia anse imambia ya abono astobeto wikera abono tuabira tokora amangi agenrete ime yense eitu ya Kenya inkiura abe ukwanera anene mono igoro ya sense ya Kenya erochi mbose minkio bora abe gukora gochia saba sabeke goriya Gen Z gochia saba nyanyimbo nabo igochia ase eserikali stobe tuikera nabo igabara ibonsi inkiura abe kobamanya simambia bano.
Number one, bill the youths of Kenya, our GNCs, our millennials, and the general public. We as Kenyans into our demand state. We petitioned the president. Number one was about the finance bill. He listened, he withdrew it. Number two, our financial what is serious. Some are competent, some are not. So the president listened. Number three, to our conversation, the president, we as Kenyans, Gen Zs, the president listened, our platform. Now he has started to implement. He has taken back the finance bill to Parliament. We discussed. Meaning that he is listening, unlike the previous times. Of course, if we disagree, we can still do away with them. So that means the president, listen. GNCs. Why can't you give him time to actually act on what we told him? Even to be more give him time. Not the president or a sign he has come back to the country. So my appeal to all Kenyans from all the ages, the president as let us give him time so that after he has constituted his cabinet, even the parliament from recess, it will go through the finance bill. We need to move forward so that the budget Number three, it is not a problem when Kenya and so let us also give the president time so that I will create jobs. I will make sure that we have a conducive environment in our Kenya obonjore bwa kerengenjo bitogendeze
sinjo konera mangana arengete abasa konyora emirimo ngira begosemia aboro kigwa bali baukura chiskuru babe bakuganya emirimo eri ya serikali banyagwa usingi bamwe nata korane mono no gwekonya asa magima bombaba bagonyora umuchando yo asa matakaribusyo
Gana indengere libageri korana president ngambi mono pero watu kudan mangana TVET institutions tuwaberen tuwanena mono to kurigerelia amangana each course echigo deal with white collar jobs anyara ko bage ko ya kire tuwari market chire na abantu to kolete amangana white collar jobs but tuwebere na tigas chinenziro rotora kole chire productive tira to ejbesa tira nya ko to wedena na ntorika bantu bana my appeal to youths nina kindly as you finish college as you finish your university even any tertiary education try to be creative, be innovative, also look for a way to survive, also to employ others. So if you are in that position, don't wait na college school there are many more opportunities. Let us be creative, let us be innovative, let us try to work outside the box. Also, many people have degrees. But they are trying to make ends meet by coming up nakibago cha biashara, nakibago employ others, nakibago innovativeness. So that even in the agricultural sector, yes, we have got education. Now let us venture into agriculture. So let us not think only as regarding even if you are a trained doctor, sometimes look for a way also to start maybe your own business so that you can be able to do it to move forward. Therefore, my appeal to the youths is that let us be creative, let us be innovative, let us think entrepreneurship. Yes.
Togo chukukorera abene asinginchorere kiringa gitu kyalenge chisemi ngira bekwanera igoro ye chisemi anena mono imense ityo ya Kenya asama tuko alibosyo asitekemo.
Actually, education is the backbone of everything. Without education, it means that you don't have any future. So be it any level of education, it is very important. And that is why even Nesarkari encourage the youths who are going to take up any course, maybe in either in tertiary institutions, these TVET institutions. Let us try to look at these other courses which we tuabiritokoranga nchiri chiamana nchiri kokonya kwa Kenya. Egere to enroll in TVET institutions to know that skills. To get the skills we can apply. Number two, also correlate intake yaba for this coming financial year 2024-2025. Most people were qualified to university. They opted what they call degree courses. Why? Because degree, so they opted when they the KMTC diploma courses, when they TVET institutions, some diploma courses. Reason being, there are other degree courses in the market. So my take is, as you take a course, also look at the job opportunities, look at the market availability, which is very, very, very key, so that we don't end up to what human power is very useful in the future. So my encouragement is to the young people who are joining university, choose a course, but also don't choose a course because it is a degree course. You may take a diploma, but at the end of the period, you have the skills that you can be able to apply after finishing your college. Yes.
Mbia mona so ikera na imiandizi TV mambia bono ende to kwali ni bene ase amatuko alibosyo twende tugosemia bostogenda gosemia omogusi oito ominto amwanche murelia ondizi TV tokwenda imbia mono boigo asugo tubwatia umuroberio wensa kya korwa ase mambi yarenge entambe gwikira chinga ki chia abono tinko mweba kumwera limbia mono Abigail Nyanchama oyone kinga chibichechi boigo na Mario bere wikira asenchira yobwikirano Frida Kirubo nere obagako banainche asaba gakongari bagali abene gusanga no mugene icho ase imambia yabona se umwancho murelia on Ndizi TV na baganilie oburelia obuya imya Ndizi TV na bobwansu gumugusi twara litukoligia wikira ankyo twara obuligiria ubuya imya Ndizi TV na bobwansu gumugusi